Yes, you can say that here. The next step is about the PHP is files arrays. All the files are going to be get updated, uploaded into the uh, server, or whenever the request is being given and download and all these things that we can able to use it by using this file. Let us see that how this file array that it is going to work. The dollar files associated array it is contains the items that have been uploaded to the current request. So whenever that you'll be going to upload some of the particular files, like your what can say photos you'll be going to upload and all these things. You'll be going to see all those things in the application. Some of the content that you can able to upload the files. The script must process the upload files some way, that is dollar files array. So this is in the form of a key and value pair that it is going to exist. How this is going to be done? So let us see. Here there are three steps are there to upload that particular file. You must ensure that the HTML form uses the HTTP post method. Since transmitting the file through the URL is not possible. HTTP post method that you will be going to use because it's going to contain a lot of memory space. Then you must add the encrypt type is a multi-part or form data, so it can upload that particular file. Then you must include an input type file, which type of file that it is going to be, image file or it is going to be a text file. So here is the example for that. Form encrypt type is a multi-part or form data. Method is going to be post. Input type is a file. Name is file, id is file 1, because either you'll be going to use the name attribute or id attribute to fetch the data. Input type is this, the form data it is. So here you can see that the form data, the same program it is going to be here. Upload file is there. Multi-part, it is a form. Encrypt type is multi-part. Form data method post is a file. Program is going to get executed, and the submit is going to be. And input type is file. Name is file. So from this is the client side, and it is getting executed in the browser. Okay. So then that time what happens? You'll be going to upload that. So browse function that you'll be going to make it, and one file is going to be get uploaded in that. Then only submit query that you'll be going to. Then in the post method, when it goes to the server side, so it is in the encrypted format, and you're not able to see anything over here, the image. And in the server, it is going to be spreads over there. This name of the file, which type it is going to be, then temporary files it is going to be. So here, where it is getting stores over there, size of the file, all these things are going to be displayed on the server side. There are some file restrictions are there. So there are three, as I said, there are three main mechanism to upload that particular file. So HTML, either in the form of HTML you can use it, JavaScript you can use it, or PHP you can use it. Any of the one that you can able to use. The purpose of the file upload script will therefore be checked with the uploaded file by checking the various error codes. Here it is going to be whether it is going to be successful or not. To check that, we're going to use this particular function. For each dollar files as file key file array. Dollar file key dollar if dollar file array is going to have any error, upload error. Okay, error is being encountered for this, so the data is going to be displayed as a error. Then if it is not uploaded successfully, so usually you're going to get these outputs whenever that you'll be going to upload the file, because when the uploaded file is been given, for example for the image files, so around 50k 40k, only that much size that you have to upload. More than that, even more than 1 point also, that it is not going to accept it. So the restrictions are going to be, you can put over here. When you will be going to use HTML file for the upload, that you can able to write like this. Is form encrypt is multipart and form data method is going to post. Input type is hidden. Name is maximum file size that you have to specify. Anyways, then the input type is file and name is file1 submit. So when you're going to use HTML, this format that you'll be going to use it. If it is more than this value that it goes to your file, error is going to be raised. You use the JavaScript. That time a scripting is going to be used here. A file is document.getElement by ID file1. That's what I'm saying. So here ID is being used here. Then maximum size is document.getElement by ID maximum file size dot value. Now, if file.file1 file.files and file.files.length is equals to 1, the condition is being satisfied with that, because not only one file you are uploading, more than one files if you are going to upload, that time is going to be used. If file.files of 0, that is the first size, is greater than maximum size given, then the file must be less than so and so. That it is going to be specified. Error is being cached and it will be going to display over there. Got it. The same thing in PHP if you want to write. Maximum file size is already fixed information, it is going to be fixed variable, it is going to be is equals to this much bytes for each $files as $file key is equals to file array. If file array size is going to be maximum size, so this much maximum size, error is being encountered for this is too big. You can write anything over here, okay? And if it is not, then file is accepted and it is going to be printed. Yes. It is the file is accepted over here, and you can able to write here that the file is accepted and successfully accepted, uploaded. Also, you can this condition fails. The limiting the type of file. See here, they want to upload an image and they uploaded a Microsoft Word document. You wanted to upload the image, instead of that you are uploading the Word document. Then you might also want to limit the uploaded image to certain image types, specific, okay? JPEG, PNG, bitmap files, BMP. So you can able to restrict that. File extensions also you can able to specify. Only this particular file is going to get accepted over there. So you can limit that particular file. Either you want to upload the image file or it is a document file, you can restrict it. Move the uploaded file to another location. Okay. You must move the temporary file to a permanent location. Move upload file function is there. Okay, takes the temporary file location is in the destination. Okay. File to move. Okay. $files. So again, the super global variability is going to be okay. File1. Okay. Temporary name of the file that it is going to be. Destination file that you should specify the path it is going to be. Then dot files file1 dot. So here it is going to be the name of the file is going to be fetched and it is going to be stored in the destination. If move upload file to move dot destination, the file was uploaded and moved successfully. If location is going to be correct, then it is going to be moved. If not, there is a problem in moving the file. Means if the temporary file here which is being specified, it is not going to be available, then that file cannot be uploaded or cannot be moved to any other location. So the conditions are to be